Oh, they've written Eid Mubarak on it. That's one way of going on Eid, isn't it? Welcoming it. I love you. I'll remember you when I'm having Dumba biryani. Assalamu alaikum, welcome guys. I do look like a complete wreck. Is that change of colour? I don't know. I've been up since early hours in the morning. It was absolutely boiling. First morning where we woken up and we're thinking, what on earth? One AC is not enough. So we dropped the temperature of the living room AC, turned this AC on, the office one, and 2 ACs managed to cool the entire flat down. And I know people have said in the past that even if you've got AC you can't cool a home down. It's not the case. I've got 3-phase internet, 3-phase electric. If you don't know what 3-phase is, normally all the houses, all the flats around here have single phase, which is just your normal average load, like a normal house in the UK. It's got the normal load. Now you're still saying, okay, we've got that normal load going in the house, the single phase, but our phones don't charge properly and our ACs don't work properly. You need to redo the wiring. You need to have proper copper wiring. You need to have a fuse box. Each AC, by the way, has its own separate fuse, depending on the capacity of the AC. So I've got what they call 1.5 ton AC. Generally in homes, when I've been around to other people's homes and even in shops, they'll have the 1 ton AC for a big room. So I've got 1.5 ton AC for small rooms. So I've got the bigger capacity, and the breakers are set to these ACs. So that means the ACs are getting the full voltage, which means they can work properly. Now, because I've got 4 ACs in the entire flat and I've only got 4 rooms in the entire flat, I've gone for 3-phase, so that when I'm turning one, like right now I've got 3 ACs on right now. My voltage will not drop because I've got 3-phase electric. 3-phase electric is a wire that far. It's a chunky wire. Your normal electric that you get, I don't have an example here. The normal electric that every other house has is about that thick. 3-phase means that you can pull the voltage continuously without it dropping or increasing like single phase too. It's just consistent. So because we had that electric sorted out and we've got a fuse box, we've got everything sorted out, right now it's showing 27 degrees. In the morning when we woke up, we had to turn this on at 16 degrees, which is the coldest, and I put it on the highest fan speed. Right now it's on the lowest fan speed and it's on 27. Soon I'm going to turn it off because it's not needed. The whole flat's cooled down from 2 ACs. So when we have been going to, have a look at that. When we've been going to places like Sonata and Dangali, onto Azad Kashmir, anywhere around Mangla Dam, I've been collecting pebbles. So these are all the little different coloured pebbles. I'll bring them back and I'll like smooth them off a bit by rubbing the rough stone against each other, and then they start to become soft and smooth and the dirt kind of goes off. And I've been washing them as well. So I've cleaned the stones, and what I've done is, this is called a money plant. It doesn't need much sunlight and it doesn't need much water. They're very easy to maintain. But what they do offer is, because our flat is closed all the time and we've got the AC on during the summer, this will provide us with oxygen. This is our main source of oxygen. The plan is we're going to carry on cleaning. Myra's making a mango smoothie of some sort, mango mixed with mint. Try that and then carry on cleaning. I'm going to do a quick hoover and Myra might do a mop, and then we're going to go check up on our Dumba in Garhi Afghanan, which is about 10-15 minute drive from here, village just north of Wakent where we live. Check up on our Dumba's last day today. I'm going to give it a good hug. I'm going to see if I've got any emotions for it, but let's see if it's going to live or die tomorrow. Myra's made a smoothie, or sorbet she's saying, out of the mango milkshakes. It doesn't taste of mango, really? Taste of the mint.
love it.
Mixed mint into it. Yeah, but
Mint, lemon.
yeah, I want my water down then. I'll have mine watered down. Too much mint.
It's so yummy.
That ain't going up no straw, mate. No straw whatsoever.
I eat it with a spoon.
You have it with a spoon. I want in a cup with the tadpoles and a straw.
I love it. It's so refreshing.
First meal of the day. Mangoes are very cheap. They're about 50p a kilo, depending on what type of mango you buy. Winter bedding. We're gonna vacuum pack it, put it away. Can you pass it?
Okay, here you go.
You can't lift it.
I can't lift it with that. Have we still got loads of room up there?
Yeah, still loads of it.
Nice.
That's winter stuff all done.
Lovely.
Some of the finest bukhur money come by. Time to finish off the clean with a nice big chunk of bukhur. Lovely gift from Derby, and then this was a Umrah gift, the incense burner from Myra's friend in Sheffield. Alhamdulillah, we managed to do a deep clean in the flat. It's time now to set off and go to Garhi Afghanan. Again, it's about 15 minutes drive, and all the way there, all we could see is people and their animals, and they're taking them for a walk. And I mean, it's the last day tomorrow, and they are still selling some as well.
That's an announcement saying that ring these numbers tomorrow, so when you've done your Qurbani, if there's any mess, they'll come and clean it. What happened to that sheep? How are they sliding here? They've been on the mountain with the sheep. So where are we going, Farhan?
We're going to Garhi Afghanan to see our Dumba for the last time. We're gonna give him a hug and a kiss and a goodbye.
You'll see them in the morning as well.
Yeah, but I'm gonna look at them as meat tomorrow. Today I look at them as friends.
You will then eat.
Yeah, tomorrow.
So what's going on there? Bud dairy. Oh, dairy. It's a dairy shop. Getting the milk. Wow, look at this Dumba, mashallah.
The entire journey out of Wakend, all we could see, everywhere we looked, left and right, straight, and behind us was just animals, cows, lambs, sheep, dumbas. I haven't really seen a camel yet. Last year I saw 2 camels in Wakend. This year I haven't really noticed any. But yeah, everyone's just walking their animal. Take your Qurbani for a walk day. Tomorrow majority of the animals will be slaughtered, They are still selling them, so those people that didn't want to buy them and look after them, they will be buying them today. And you see people taking food for the animal. So the guy on the bike there was taking some food for his animal. These guys, they brought all this out into the middle. They're chilling with this. Look, they just sat down with it. They sat with this. They just stood over this.
Milk, man. People buy a lot of milk on Eid. You're watching the boat.
Unlike the UK, everyone in Pakistan celebrates Eid on the same day. They do the local moon sight in here. So everyone will be celebrating Eid tomorrow. I mean, this one, look at it. They've covered it, dressed it almost like it's going to get married. Leaving the walk and walk and Ooh, look at that queue coming in. Big queue.
Interesting.
Some people bringing animals in.
Oh yeah, look at it. Stock.
By cart. So that's all by cart. By cart.
Furniture.
Yep, that's furniture.
People.
Lots of people. Animals.
It's all about the animals.
Look, he's taking them. There's one already loaded on the back of that.
Oh yeah. Do you want to ask you how much it was?
How much is it? Oh, they will come through. I've said it before, in a Muslim country, the vibe during Ramadan, Eid, is always different. So this is Eid al-Adha. Normally in the UK, I think you only get like 1 day off, right? Here, everyone takes something like 10 days off. They go to the village, they stay there, they stay with the family. This is the once in a year where they actually get together, all of them. And alongside of that, everyone's just chilling with the animals wherever they are. Who wants to see my face and eyes light up when I see Dumba? Assalamu alaikum sahabai. इधर छोड़ दे नहीं रोशनी खत्म हो गया कैसे सांबा है वालेकुम सलाम दुम्बे कैसे हैं जी दुम्बे ठीक है लेट्स गो दी दुम्बे ज़रा शावर हेलो हेलो कैसे 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 हेलो हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम अस्सलाम वालेकुम oh no my Dumba's got Mendy on it. क्या किए मेरे Dumba की? I'm asking what they done to my Dumba. Dumba, oh Dumba, you miss me. Myra, look, they made you orange. What did they do to you, Myra? You've gone orange. How are you? You're alright? My lovely Dumbas. Let me go and say salam to everyone inside. You guys have a look at Dumba. Let's see if they do, if they try eating the camera. Dumba, Dumba, I'm gonna play cricket. I'm gonna play cricket. My Dumba. Right, Dumba. Did Dumba look after you guys? 2 minutes of Dumba. Pure Dumba. Orange and white and black and brown Dumbas. She shouted at me last time I played cricket with them. I lost all the balls. Gee? Milk, yeah. They're nice and clean now. They were really dirty on the first day that we picked them up. They've got nice and clean now. Cricket khelna hai? Cricket khelna hai? Let's play some cricket. Nay. I hit a ball over that wall. I hit a ball that way, that way, that way, everywhere. They lost all their balls. Gee. She goes, she can find the ball. Ball kahan hai? Kahan hai ball? She's going to get the ball. Okay. I think I should just hug Dumba. It's been, I've gone one full day without seeing Dumba. He doesn't recognize me as well. But yeah, but she's comfortable around me. Before she used to just walk away. Oh, they've got the ball. They're gonna play some cricket. Dumba, how are you, Dumba? They've cleaned you, haven't they, Dumba? They've cleaned the little guy, haven't they? Out, out. Okay. She goes, I can't hit it far. I can't hit sixes. Out, out. Assalamu alaikum. Out! Out! I just love shouting out. I love shouting out. Bowling, bowling! Out! क्या लिखा?
ईद मुबारक.
Eid Mubarak लिखा. Oh, they've written Eid Mubarak on it. That's one way of going on Eid, isn't it? Welcoming it. नहीं बड़ा कोशिश किया. आखिरी दिन है. The last day. Oh, 4 runs. Oh, out! Drink some juice. This grass is so spiky, it is poking me badly. How's my hair looking? 10 days without a haircut. So after Qurbani tomorrow, what I've just discussed with the soundbite is tomorrow the guy's gonna come to butcher it. We're gonna portion it into bags and distribute it out to the poor, inshallah, tomorrow morning. Subah हमारा 6 बजे है ना? ठीक है. 6 o'clock is our Eid namaz. आप 7 बजे तक आ जाएंगे? जी. Out! Come on. Out! कहाँ गया?
रुके मैं जाता हूँ.
कहाँ गया है?
अभी ये भी गो, अभी बॉल घुमा दी अंकल. अभी मिल जाएगी, 2 मिनट नहीं लगेंगे. वो मिल गई. हटो. वो जो ये बॉल पड़ी है. ये देखिए बॉल. ये बॉल मिल गई.
You can say bye to Dumbas. Dumba, you can say bye. Say bye to everybody. My Dumba. And then this is my other Dumba. Hi Dumba.
क्या?
This one run off. Come here Dumba. Let's talk. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. Myra, are you gonna meet with your Dumba? Last day today.
ये देखें क्या है
It's my little Dumba. My little Dumba.
ये नरम
My little Dumba. It's quite windy, isn't it, Dumba? I love you. I'll remember you when I'm having Dumba biryani. Alright. He's trying to run off. He hasn't seen me for a whole day.
No, look, she likes me.
Yeah, of course she likes you.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't she like you? She's gone straight to her. She runs away from me.
Remember the other Dumba like me as well?
Yeah. Show you this one.
Because I'm a mountain
Come to this
girl.
one then. Come here,
friends.
mountain girl.
Hello.
I just said she's a mountain girl.
Hi. Okay. Hi there.
Oh, she's come back to you. Oh, nice.
She's gonna like me, see. Hiya.
So, are you gonna miss him? Have you formed an attachment?
Not really.
Not really, innit?
They're cute, aren't they?
Yeah. Like you, Dumba. I like you. I like you a lot. A little Dumba. A little Dumba. Thank you for watching, guys. Tomorrow, as we discussed with brother Isan, I have an early morning start. 6 a.m. is my Eid namaz. Then I'm going straight to his for the sacrifice. See you guys then. Assalamu alaikum.